The crypto market is shifting again, with liquidity rotating between ecosystems. Ethereum news is once more reinforcing the ecosystem's influence on broader sentiment. At the same time, Hyperliquid's rising trading activity shows how fast-moving capital is actively seeking volatility-driven opportunities. In this environment, APEMARS is gaining attention as a potential next 100x crypto. It is positioned outside mainstream liquidity cycles, but benefits from a structured stage-based pricing model. Discussions around Ethereum news have intensified, and participants are now scanning for the next 100x crypto before broader exposure pushes valuations higher. APEMARS is currently in stage 22, where access is still open but increasingly limited. This stage is marked by a price of 0.0004828, with the intended listing price yet to be reached. Unlike established ecosystems, APEMARS operates in a pre-listing phase where pricing and participation are still in formation. This makes it a focal point in conversations about the next 100x crypto as traders reassess early-stage opportunities. Ethereum news and Hyperliquid's activity are amplifying the visibility of APEMARS as traders look for opportunities that are not yet fully exposed to mainstream capital flows. The structured nature of APEMARS's pricing and the limited availability in stage 22 are key factors in its current positioning. As awareness builds, APEMARS is increasingly referenced in discussions linked to Ethereum news. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. This is not just a coincidence. It reflects a broader market pattern where participants are seeking structured, early-stage assets before they enter mass liquidity. The mechanism behind APEMARS is designed to control entry points and manage demand through its stage-based model. Each stage introduces a new price point, gradually increasing as participation grows. This creates a sense of urgency and scarcity, which can drive interest and speculation. The stakes are high for participants who are aware of this model, as early access can mean a significant return when the asset eventually reaches broader markets. The next signal to watch is the transition from stage 22 to the next stage, as this could trigger a shift in market attention and capital flow. The current price structure and the limited availability of stage 22 tokens suggest that the next phase may bring increased demand. As discussions around Ethereum news continue, the next 100x crypto is likely to emerge from projects like APEMARS that are still in early formation. The key is to identify these projects before they reach mass liquidity and before valuations are driven higher by broader market exposure. APEMARS is currently in a position where it could be a candidate for the next 100x crypto, but the timing of the next stage transition is critical. The next signal will be when the stage changes and the price structure adjusts accordingly. This will likely be the moment when the broader market begins to take notice. Until then, the focus remains on Ethereum news and the rising activity on Hyperliquid, both of which are contributing to the growing interest in APEMARS. The structured approach of APEMARS ensures that each stage is carefully managed, balancing growth with controlled exposure. This mechanism is designed to prevent premature dumping and maintain a fair distribution model. As the market continues to evolve, the interplay between Ethereum's influence and platforms like Hyperliquid will shape where capital flows next. APEMARS sits at. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The intersection of these dynamics, offering a unique opportunity for those who are actively tracking stage transitions and market sentiment. The urgency to act before stage 22 closes is growing as access becomes more restricted. This is a key moment for participants who are looking to position themselves in the next potential 100x crypto. The next signal will be the shift in pricing and the movement into the next stage, which could mark the beginning of a new phase of interest and capital inflow. Until then, the conversation around APEMARS continues to build, fueled by Ethereum news and the broader search for the next big opportunity in crypto.